So I thought we'd go over the phone this week and give you some shortcuts to help you out. As you guys can see here, we have all our emergency. However, there are easier ways to set this up. So as you can see, I have all my attendance, counseling, the person I call the most, and then the main office. So if we follow the directions on the system, what we'll do is we'll go to options, and then we'll type in our voicemail password. We'll click OK. And here we have everything that we could need to set up. If you have specific things you don't like, then we're going to click over on program buttons. Whatever button you want to be programmed, you're going to click. So if it's empty, you can click, let's say that one. And you want the phone to call somebody. So you want the dial number, select. You're going to enter the number. You can get that from our directory or you can look it up beforehand. I'll show you how to do that. Then you're going to click next and you're going to type their name. So you can change if it's numbers, if it's lowercase, if it's uppercase, etc. right there. I'm going to click done. And now this button is programmed and I can do that to all the others. When I'm done, I click exit. And the nice part about this is you can see who's currently busy. So the attendance office is currently busy. So then I can try attendance 2 or attendance 3 or anybody else. As we go down here, you can see voicemail, directory, and history. And I told you that I was going to teach you how to look up that phone number. So if we clicked directory, well, now I have this up here. And I'm going to use a T9 system. So if I was to look up Pierce's number, P-I-E-R-C, there we go. Right, there's Pierce Ashley, there's her phone number, 42011. As an extension, as you can see, the check mark tells me that she's within my building. So if I'm looking for somebody in the building, I can get as close as I can and then look for the check mark. Whenever I'm done, I can either dial, pick up, or I can click exit. Okay, once I have the directory looked up, I can also go to history, and I can see anybody who's called me, and if I've called them. So all these have been calls I've made. And then I can also go to my voicemail. And from here, I can either call or I can go and set up some things. If I want to set up my voicemail, I'm going to have to call it.
Please enter your password followed by pound.
So you're going to want to click 7.
To send a mailbox options. To record a personal greeting, press 1. To configure your availability state, press 2.
That's if you're on vacation.
To reassign your extension, press 3. To set your
That's
password,
useful if
press
this is
4.
wrong.
To enable envelope information,
Password,
press 5.
don't
To
need it.
record your name, press 6. To listen to deleted messages, press 7.
And then we can hang up. All this other stuff over here we don't use as much because we aren't secretaries. If you do need more help with them, feel free to reach out to me or our secretary team and they can help you with that. Thank you.